Chicken Deluxe Bento Battle, Japanese vs Western Chicken Feast. Welcome to another Chicken Deluxe Bento Battle. Same ingredient, totally different worlds. First the Western side, we go big. A chicken BLT sandwich with crispy bacon, fresh lettuce, tomato and avocado, plus crunchy chicken tenders for extra satisfaction. On the Japanese bento, juicy teriyaki chicken breast cooked until glossy and sweet, crunchy chicken katsu, and golden karaage. All paired with 3 cute onigiri, simple, traditional, and so comforting. Chicken breast done 2 ways, bold Western lunch vibes versus classic Japanese home style. Which team wins today's Chicken Deluxe Bento Battle? Vote in the comments. Breast versus thigh karaage bento battle. Today I'm comparing 2 kinds of chicken karaage, the lean breast vs the juicy thigh. For the chicken breast, I cut it into soft strips and marinated it with soy sauce, sake, ginger, and garlic. It becomes lighter and clean tasting, perfect if you like a healthier bento. For the chicken thigh, I kept the pieces chunky. Thigh meat absorbs marinade so well, and the fat keeps it extra juicy after frying. It's the classic karaage texture everyone loves. Side by side in the bento box, both are crispy, golden, and delicious, but they taste totally different. So who wins today's battle? Team breast or team thigh? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more bento ideas. See you again next time. Happy cooking!